Utilizing a simple pulley and counterweight system, RainFlo LiquiLevels are high-quality stainless steel tank-level indicators for water and chemical tanks. Inside the tank, a float on a polyester cord moves up and down with the liquid. Outside, the reflective exterior indicator matches the exact position of the interior float. The LiquiLevel is available in two sizes, accommodating tank depths up to 16 or 32 feet. The indicator provides accurate level readings, even on an angle. An optional guide wire keeps the exterior indicator from swaying in the elements. Installation is hassle-free with no power requirements or need to drain or enter the tank. The LiquiLevel is a simple solution to easily identify the liquid level of a tank.